Down on the farm, where the sun shines bright, there are animals galore, a marvelous sight. Let's meet them all, one by one, as they go about their day under the warm Sunday. First, we have a cow, big and strong, munching on grass all day long. Next is a pig, muddy and pink, rolling in the mud, it loves to sink. Look at the sheep with fluffy wool, bouncing around, looking so cool. And there's a horse, tall and proud, galloping freely, never feeling cowed. Don't forget the chickens, clucking away, laying eggs each and every day. And in the pond, a duck takes a swim, quacking happily with a feathered trim. The farmyard friends, a lively bunch, teach us the importance of sharing a hunch. They work together, day and night, making the farm a place of delight. The end.